Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-tackling a common question in real estate. What is the difference between a deed of sale and a deed of absolute sale? It sounds confusing, but it's actually pretty simple. Think of deed of sale as the main category, like an umbrella term. It's any document that records an agreement to sell something, whether it's land, a house, or a car. This type of deed can have conditions, like paying in installments. Now, a deed of absolute sale, or DOAS, is a specific type under that umbrella. This is the final, powerhouse document. It means the buyer has paid in full, and the seller is transferring complete and unconditional ownership right then and there. No strings attached. So, here is the key takeaway. All deeds of absolute sale are a type of deed of sale, but not all deeds of sale are absolute. The absolute one is your final proof that the property is officially yours. Hope that clears things up. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more legal tips. Thanks for watching.